What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at this little guy here. It is a collaboration between San Diego Knives and Ferrum Forge, and it was built by We. It is the KB Flipper. It is a flipper knife that goes inside of your key bar. So let's take a look at it today. Okay, guys, so SDK, San Diego Knives, KB Flipper. China, obviously, because it was built by We. Get this little guy out of here. Okay. There's something else in there. Okay, they just such a little box. It doesn't make it easy to get in and out of there. Okay. Okay, directions on how to put it inside of the key bar. Okay, yeah, so yeah, basically just your directions for how to install it inside of a key bar. I got a key bar coming, so we'll be able to get it inside a key bar and see how it works. So yeah, very small, obviously, pretty thin, nicely lined up, like we would expect from We. I mean, We does a good job. Got a little bit of jimping right there for your flipper tab. Yeah, it flies right open. It is on bearings. And there's no over travel stop, so if you're going to use it, because you could put it on a keychain ring, if you're going to do that, you'd have to be careful because there's no over travel stop. Obviously, it's meant for the key bar side to be against it to prevent it from over traveling. So if you were going to put it on a keychain, you'd have to be a little careful about that. Got a nice American Tanto. Got a nice edge on it. Fully flat ground in the front here, and the main blade is all flat ground. Pretty nice. This is 9CR 18 MOV steel. So yeah, it's okay. Nothing to write home about. I mean, considering this is an $80 little knife to go inside of a key bar, so fairly pricey. And there it says 9C18 MOV down there, and San Diego Knives. So yeah, pretty cool little knife. I figured get it in here, get a look at it, let you guys, anyone that was interested, let them see what it looks like a little bit and hear how it feels. I mean, obviously it's a small knife and meant to go inside of a key bar, so I'm sure it'll feel better in hand once you get it inside of a key bar. But yeah, pretty cool though overall. $80 is a pretty pricey. And I do know that the bearings are loose in here too. I did read something where somebody asked about taking it apart, and they said, well, you'd have to be very careful because the bearings are loose. I don't know why in this day and age we are still using loose bearings when there's bearings in every other knife in the world that's caged in some fashion or another. But anyhow, certain little details that we still haven't gotten past in some of the knife world, especially from some of the companies trying to save a few bucks, but I can't imagine they're saving a whole lot. But I mean, it looks like it would be pretty easy to take apart, so kind of disappointing that the bearings are loose. But there you guys go. That is the KB Flipper by San Diego Knives and Ferrum Forge and We and KeyBar and anyone else that I think jumped in on this project at some point or another. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye.